Hi, welcome back to Scripture Explorers. I'm James.
And I'm Aria. And we're the Scripture Explorers.
What a beautiful temple.
It doesn't look like many of the other temples in your time.
This temple has a cool story.
Our mom and dad told us it didn't used to be a temple. It was a building where they had lots of church meetings.
And they made it a temple?
Yeah. Before we were born, there was a fire. The inside of the building was destroyed.
The outside was damaged, but not destroyed.
So they rebuilt the inside and fixed the outside and made it into a beautiful temple.
That's amazing. What does that make you think of, Abraham?
It makes me think about the Israelites when they were carried off into captivity. The temple in Jerusalem was destroyed, the people were scattered, and their culture and faith suffered for a very long time.
I remember. We've talked about the Israelites being taken away lots of times.
That's true. But today we are talking about the return to Jerusalem. You might remember that many of the Jews were in Babylon, but they were allowed to return home. There was a lot of work needed to repair the damage to the buildings and the temple.
But more than that, there was a lot of spiritual work that needed to be done so that the people could enjoy the blessings God had in store for them. Haggai and Zachariah were prophets during this time. It was their job to lead the people as they rebuilt their faith.
The people had to learn to obey and follow God and to have faith. Through all this, they were able to take something sad and difficult and rebuild a beautiful city and temple.
Just like they did with this temple.
And it's something that God can do for us too. If we follow His commandments, even the hard and sad things in life can help create new and beautiful things.